The Drive Sleek vehicle cell phone signal booster from weBoost keeps you connected wherever you need to go. Use the Drive Sleek in your car, truck, or any other vehicle to stay connected. Place your phone in the cradle and get up to 32 times better cell coverage. Stronger signal means faster data speeds, clearer calls, and even better battery life. The Drive Sleek takes existing weak cell signal outside of your vehicle, boosts it, and provides you with a stronger signal inside, allowing you to stay connected. Simply place the outside antenna on the roof of your vehicle. The antenna uses a super strong rare earth magnet, so it isn't going anywhere, on or off the road. Connect the outside antenna to the booster, then connect the booster to the cradle and power. Place your phone in the cradle, and that's it. The cradle can be mounted to a vent using the included vent mount, or attached to your favorite existing magnet mount, or even used without any mount at all, for all of you out there that like to keep your phone in a cup holder. The Drive Sleek works on any type of vehicle and with any carrier. The cradle easily expands to grip nearly any cellular phone, providing you with a secure place to stow your phone on the road and boost your signal at the same time. There's no pairing or connecting of your phone needed, it just works. So go on, get out there and stop worrying about your cell signal. Stay connected on your